So the first thing you're going to do is look for your GeoGebra icon. It's just like this. Double click and open it. Maximize the screen. You can close algebra and you can then do view 3D graphics. When that opens up, you can then close graphics as well to where all you see is your 3D graphics view. So you're going to create one of your puzzle pieces. To do that, underneath the pyramid structure here, there's this little arrow. Click on it and you can select cube. I will create two different pieces for you that I made for my puzzle pieces. Now, order of events matters when you select your points. I know they're 3/4 inch cubes, but for just the modeling and the display of this, we're going to do full 1 points. So, on the y-axis here, the green axis, if you go from a positive number towards the negative number, it's going to make the cube go to the right. If you go from negative number to a positive number, if you're going up the scale, it's going to go to the left. So I'm going to make my first one go to the right. So to make it go to the right, I'm going to go 1 to 0. That made my cube show up to the right. Now for my piece, I'm going to go up next. So to go up, I'm going to be traveling up this z-axis. Okay. So to go up the z-axis, I want to build cubes on top of this. So if I select, I want to go to the right still. So I'm going to go positive number to negative, and I'm going to put a box on top. I'm going to put another one on top. Okay. Now I want it to come out this direction off of that cube. So I need to be traveling down this x-axis. Okay. So to come out that way, I'm going to go back, forward, back, forward. And now I've got my piece. It's like my arrow. Now you can see that piece there really easily. Okay. Now you can turn the grids on, off. You can turn the lines off to where all you see is your piece. You look in different views. I prefer the home view here. Turn the gray off the bottom. So there's our piece. Okay, I'm going to turn the gray back on and put my lines back. If you ever have a problem, you can always do Control-Z, and that'll undo any changes you just made. So if I go back to the point where my cubes are being made, I can slowly get rid of them. Now I'm going to build a slightly different one. So I'm going to build my pieces this direction. Go back to my cube, and I'm going to build them off, and I want it to go that way. So I want them to go away from me. So if I want them to go away from me, I want to go negative side towards the positive. So here, here, it goes away. Okay, that piece here goes away. I want to build two towards me. That one and that one. And then one up. And that was another piece that I had made. Okay. Now I can also do Control-A, which highlights everything, and that gives me the option to change colors and to change how transparent they are. It's thinking right now. And sometimes it freezes up on you. But that's alright. So this is where you would change. Here we go. I'm going to change how transparent those shapes are.